Hello and welcome to another video of Coordinate Academy. Today in this video I am going to explain you about an internship from Deloitte. The link is provided in the description below, otherwise you may face visitors searching for it. The topics which are related here are cloud engineering, tech strategy and innovation, optimization and delivery. The most exotic point to be noted here is that this internship is absolutely free of cost for the students. Even if you are a professional, you can also opt for this. For students, it's absolutely free and it's also quite beneficial. It can be completed within 5 to 6 hours and you will be done with this internship immaculately. Here, you will be given practical skills and you will also receive quite exquisite experience from Deloitte. You will have to do 3 tasks under these categories. Those are technology, strategy and innovation. Then we have optimization and delivery, and finally cloud engineering. You will have to complete the tasks for the certificate. Only after you create your account you will get this option, that is go to the virtual internship now, written on the interface or the page manifested there. So you're going to click on this go to the virtual internship now option, and this page actually shows the options, that is technology, strategy and innovation, optimization and delivery, cloud engineering. So you need to complete the tasks which are given here, and you can see that here is a video. You have to see this video and all the instructions are provided here. Client discovery, design a business case, consideration for mobilization, and client discovery. You have to click on this, and again you have one more video. So basically all the details are being provided here. Just go through it once, submit the work, then next task, and you will get your next instruction, next set of videos and next set of instructions to be followed. Just follow all of them and again go to the next task. There is previous task, that is if you want to have any corrections being done you can also move back. And so every time you just finish a task you need to drop your files here or click to upload. You need to upload everything, and every time you finish you're gonna click on the next task option and move to the second page. So this is all about, and like this you have to finish the 3 options, that is your technology and this technology, strategy and innovation, this first part. Then we have 2 more parts, that is optimization and delivery and cloud engineering. By the time you finish your cloud engineering and you submit your work, your certificate will be issued and you will be provided that by Deloitte. So more or less it's quite a beneficial and exotic internship being done from this part, and you will surely receive quite exquisite experience, so you must go for this. And for students it's absolutely free, so they must also opt for this. Thank you.